This is daily videos for you. Here's a bird holding what appears to be a small shark.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy.
This person has some drone skills. Here's a guy getting catapulted from very high up. This lady found a very shiny and colorful opal.
It's not sugary. It is just out of this world. That's in the sun. I'll show you in the shade. It can't.
Here is a time lapse of the night sky. This is one strange looking fish. Here is some drone footage of an emergency dam discharge. That'll do for this video. Until next time.